Are you ready to see what I picked up at Hobby Lobby during my ride along with me the other day? Hi, Grandma Bev here from Life with Grandma Bev, and welcome to my channel. Now, those of you who managed to watch my ride along with me the other day got to see what stores I went to, but I didn't show you what I bought. So look back at that video too. Gotta push everything, you know. Anyway, today I'm going to share with you my Hobby Lobby haul. That was the fun one, yeah. Well, see, first I went to Goodwill, so you're not seeing anything from Goodwill because I didn't find a thing. Then I headed down to Hobby Lobby, then Goodwill, then Target, and Michael's. But I didn't get something in all those places. Okay, well, first off, I don't know where I'm going to put this yet, but I just thought it was so pretty. It has perfect colors to match, you know, some of the ones I'm putting in this house. So, of course, well, this part's wood, this is metal, and this part's metal. And, of course, I won't buy anything unless they're at least 40, 50% or more off. So this was, I should get my tag out and give you the exact price. It was originally $11.99, which means that I paid $5.99. Gorgeous. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love it. And first aisle I went down. Can you see it very well? I don't have a white wall to hold it against for you. You can't see it over here. Let's see if I turn it over there. Can you see the colors better? Anyway, these have all the colors that first thing I showed you, and it's all metal. And this, of course, was a percentage off. This would have been $37.99. If it hadn't been on sale, I wouldn't have bought it. So let's see, it was $18.99. Now, if it's under 20 bucks, that's okay. But when you're getting up to the $40 range, I'm a GB. So this can either go outside on our house, or I can put on any of the walls inside, and it just looks great up against the white wall. Alrighty, then we have, that's so good about wrapping things. I've been watching for the little plants to go on sale because I won't pay full price. Here's the paper. This one's got all kinds of little cactuses in, of course, fake. Grandma does not do live plants. So this one was $19.99. Originally, I paid $11.99. That's a little bit better. Isn't that pretty? And then this one, I think this one I have at home up in the house. Does it look familiar? But I've always am admiring. In fact, maybe I even brought it down with me. The one from home. I don't know, but this is normally $24.99. And I paid $14.99. Can't complain about that, can I? Garbage bag. Now, here's the big one I bought. Now, I wanted something green and a little bit bigger for on our front porch. When I started pricing them in the store, I thought, oh my God, they were over $100 each, you know? Maybe I'll change my mind. But then I found this, and I just cut the tag off and dropped it in the garbage. And I saw this one. And this was $30.99, but it was a percentage off. So this one was $18.59. And see, it's a fairly good tall one. We didn't want it too tall because we didn't want it to blow over in the breeze. But then, what I decided to do, I'll make it taller. I got a big, tall thing to put in the back here. And of course, it sits in a corner. So this was, what, $13.99 normally. And I got it for $8.39. Let's take the tag off. They didn't even make them out of paper. They got like some kind of adhesive stuff, you know. So I made my own, as you can see. And it looked pretty good on the porch last night. But see, I made a nice tall plant. It fits right in the corner where the two rails of the porch go. Now I've got a pretty plant to look at. I'm gonna have to, I'll push that down more. And yeah, I've got a nice plant. I may have to use something, put something under it. So it doesn't blow over, but it's top heavy, but yeah, pretty good. I think that was everything. My total came to $78, which, if you could have seen the regular prices and added all that up. Oh, well, here they did add up. I saved $61. Can't complain. And I'm not. I was only complaining about the high prices. So that was my little jaunt into Hobby Lobby. Like I was saying on my video, that store was huge because it was built specifically in the mall there for Hobby Lobby, where the one at home was built into a vacated Toys R Us store. So it was a lot smaller, and I thought that was big. Oh my God, this one had so much Christmas stuff in it, all 50% off. So I figure, okay, I'm not ready to buy the stuff yet because I'm not sure what I brought with me, until I start decorating for Christmas. I figure if it's something I'm supposed to have, it'll be 50% or more off closer to Christmas or after. So please comment below. Tell me what you thought. Think of my little goodies. Share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you're all having a wonderful week. And I love you. Bye.